Hi guys, Brent Starr here at Skin Kitchen Tattoo in Des Moines. My question on tattoo, who knew, is UV ink, blacklight ink. Does it work and is it safe? I would say no. It does work to a point. I haven't seen any stay permanently in anybody's skin that I know of. I haven't seen a whole lot of it, but it doesn't seem to stick around after a year's time. You really got to put that black light right up to the skin to get anything to be visible by that kind of light. As far as safety goes, no, I don't think it's safe. It's something that I thought was rushed onto the market a little bit, too soon without very much testing, but anything that's kind of phosphorescent and glows under certain conditions, we don't have any of that kind of stuff in our bodies naturally. So, yeah, no, I would not recommend doing that. It just doesn't seem safe to me. Um, do what you want to do. It's your body. But, yeah, I'd say no on that. I won't do it. Next question, please.